guys, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here. So today's video is going to be a haul video from Boxypop Up and also a mini haul from Ulta. So it's basically a makeup haul video, but mainly the products that I got was from the recent Boxypop Up that Boxycharm did. So I wanted to show you guys what I snagged during the Boxypop Up deal. But before we get on into this video, you guys know the drill. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. But other than that, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. And if anybody is wondering, I am wearing overalls today because why not? They're comfy. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with the products that I got from Boxypop Up. I will tell you guys the prices of what I got them for. So starting with box number 1, my orders did come in 2 different boxes because I ended up putting 2 orders during the Boxypop Up deals because they do sometimes add products later on. As the sale goes on, they will add new products, so I was keeping an eye on it and ordered stuff as I saw. So for the first order I did with the Boxypop Up, I got 3 products, and first one being a product by Wander Beauty. So this is called the Wondrous Glow, and I believe this is a highlighter. Yeah, so this is a highlighter. And here is the packaging. And this is in the shade After Hours. I will be doing swatches of the things I can swatch. And I got this product for $6. It does have a mirror, but it's a nice compact. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this. It feels pretty nice. Oh yeah, it's very pretty. Next thing I got is from Pure, and this is the Skin Perfecting Powders. This is a face palette in the shade Fair Light. I know they had this in a box a while back, but I didn't get it in a box, so I went ahead and picked this up because I've seen this. This has been on in their add-ons and their Boxypop Up sales a lot, and I always held off on getting it, but I was like, you know, this time I'm not getting that much, so I went ahead and got it. So here's what the packaging looks like. It's very nice and sleek. So this comes with a setting powder, a bronzer, a blush, and a highlighter. And I got this for $4, so it's pretty inexpensive. I'm just gonna do swatches of the bronzer, the blush, and the highlighter. I don't really see the need to swatch the setting powder because I don't think you'll be able to see it. So this is the swatch from earlier. So there's the bronzer, the blush, and then the highlighters down there. So not too bad, looks pretty nice. And honestly, I'm not a huge fan of Pure, at least not their palettes, but I've never tried their face products, so I did want to try out at least one of their face products, just to see what their quality is like for a face product. Alright. And then last product that I did pick up on this order is something from Ofra, and this is the banana powder. And again, I believe this was a product that was in one of their past boxes, but again, I didn't get it in my box, so I did want to try this out, and I picked this up for $9. So it's got their classic packaging, you know, the white with their logo in the middle. It's a square packaging. And then there's what the powder looks like. I'm not going to swatch this because I don't think you'll be able to see it very well, but I do plan on using this at some point. Maybe in a Chatty Get Ready With Me or something. Yeah, I was pretty excited to see this on there because I had been wanting to try this. So that was my first order. Then I saw they added some new stuff on there, so I went ahead and placed another order. And again, I picked up 3 more products here, and all of these products are Natasha Denona products, so I was pretty excited to see these on there. So first up I grabbed is a Natasha Denona Mark Your Liquid Lips liquid lipstick. It is a matte, but this is in the shade Aka or AKA. And I picked this up for $9. Now, Natasha Denona, their products were, you know, it's still very affordable, you know, considering what they cost originally, but they're They're more on the pricier, I guess, sides compared to some of the other deals on there. So this was $9. This is a beautiful looking like red. The packaging looks really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. It is matte, so hopefully it won't be too drying on me. It's a very pretty red shade, and I'm assuming that this will dry down. So there's the first product, and then I picked up a blush duo here, again by Natasha Denona. I got the shade, I don't know how to say that, but golden coral and tutu. I don't know how, I'm sure I'm not saying that right, but it's palette number 14. And again, this was $9, which I thought from the picture, I thought it was maybe gonna be a highlighter, but anyways, here's the outside packaging. And then here's the inside, and from the picture, I thought this was gonna be a highlighter, but I think it might be a setting powder. But here is the blush. I don't know, it doesn't look like a highlighter, it does look like a setting powder, so I'm assuming that's what it is. Now, to be completely honest, this doesn't actually feel the greatest. This feels very powdery. So I'm a little disappointed, to be completely honest. Just from the swatch itself, it's right there. I hope you guys can see it. I mean, it still looks really pretty. It's just, for it being Natasha Denona, I kind of expect the quality to be a bit better, but maybe there's a reason why it's on Boxypop Up. But that's okay. I'll give it a try. Maybe the swatches just aren't the greatest, but it is still a very pretty color. It looks very dry, in my opinion. But I can't judge too much by just the swatch. All right, and then the last product that I picked up from this Boxycharm pop-up deal is another, of course, Natasha Denona product, and this is the blush and highlighting palette. Now, this one did cost me $18, which again, I'm sure that's a great price considering how much this probably originally cost. I don't know how much it does, but I'm assuming it's pretty expensive because it is Natasha Denona. But let's go ahead and look at the palette. So it's pretty big size. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. And this does have cream and powder products in here. The mirror is really big. So I'm gonna just let you look. You're gonna see my mirror. I can't really cover it up, but there's what the inside looks like. Let me go ahead and swatch some of them. All right, so here is a diamond powder. I'm gonna swatch diamond powder, powder, blush, and glow extreme. So blush, I'm gonna swatch the bottom row first. It's such a big palette. I can already tell diamond powder is gonna be, oh yeah, it's just straight up glitter, which I'm kind of disappointed in, but whatevs. Maybe if people really like glittery things, this will be fine for you, but I personally don't like glittery highlighters, and this is straight up just glitter. So that's a little bit disappointing. It's not even swatching very well, but we will see. All right, and then to the blush. This blush feels a bit better. Not so powdery. So that one feels pretty nice. And then the other highlighter feels very nice too. All right, so I'll wipe this off in a minute, but there's the first one. It's very just glitter. Yeah, that's just straight up glitter, and it's kind of flaky and it's kind of flaking off. There's the blush, and then here's the highlighter. That lipstick did dry down, and now I'm having trouble getting it off. It seems to not want to budge. Now to swatch the powder, or the cream, I mean. So this is the Glow Cream Base. This is just a cream blush and a duo glow. You guys can't even see. This palette is so big. So I'm gonna swatch these up here. Again, these are cream products. I'm not really for sure how I feel about cream products. I'd say their cream products feel way more pigmented. So I'm assuming this is a highlighter, the blush, and then the other highlighter, which is more purpley, which I don't really know how much I would use that, maybe. But this one doesn't look too bad at all. Alright, so those are all the products that I picked up during the Boxypop Up deals. I'm pretty happy with everything I got. Like I said, some of the, I don't know. I haven't tried any of the products, so I'm trying not to like give my first impressions because I haven't tried the products yet. But I'm pretty excited with what I got, and I'm excited to try them all out. So let me go ahead and do kind of like the bonus haul that I got from Ulta recently. It's just a mini one. It's not, I didn't get that much. But I went to Ulta the other day and I did pick up 3 products. So I did want to show them. I'm sure this won't come as a big surprise, but I did get some ColourPop products. I saw them there, and I wasn't for sure I was going to pick up these products because, I don't know, I just didn't really feel the need to. But when I saw them in store, I was like, hey, they're in store. I don't have to order them off of ColourPop and wait for them to get here and, you know, shipping and everything. So I was like, I might as well. But anyways, I got 3 of the products from their Animal Crossing collection. Now, I'm a pretty big, I wouldn't say I'm a huge, but I'm a fan of Animal Crossing. I play it. I got into it, especially during the beginning of COVID and all that. Not many places to go. It was kind of my escape. So I picked up both blushes from the collection, and I will go ahead and show them and swatch them. I just think the packaging is so cute. I don't know. If you're not a big Animal Crossing fan, you probably won't be as excited about it, but I don't know. I just think if you play the game, you know, you'll understand the packaging. But anyways, so the first blush I picked up is Flower Tender is what the shade is. And I think this is my favorite one from the 2. I will go ahead and swatch it. Oh yeah. There it is, swatch. Ignore this. This is that lipstick. It left a mark. But there it is, swatched. Very pretty. And then this one is called Flower Power. It's a nice pink. Again, the packaging is so cute, I think. This one almost looks a little more like purpley. I don't know if it's just the look of it, but it looks purpley to me. And I think it's supposed to be more pinkish, but nonetheless, it's still really cute. This one does look like it has shimmer. Did the other one have shimmer in it? Yeah, the other one does have a little bit of shimmer in it. And this one I can definitely see the shimmer. But yeah, this looks like more like a pale, I don't know, purplish maybe. I don't know, it's very cool tone. There it is, swatched. Alright, and then the last product I picked up from that collection is one of the palettes they came out with these little quads, I guess, for the palettes for the collection. And I think they had about 4 palettes, if I remember correctly. Yeah, and I only picked up one. I mean, they had all 4 of them there, but I was like, it may not look like it, but I'm really trying not to just buy makeup just because. I'm really trying to only buy products that I know I will for sure use. And yes, I loved all the packaging with those palettes, but I was like, the color schemes of them, there was like purples and pinks and I think some greens. And the teal one, was more like a teal. The teal one I was really tempted to get, but I was like, realistically, I don't usually use teal that much. So I'm really trying to only buy stuff that I know I will for sure use. But this palette is called What a Hoot. It's so cute. I love the owls. These are characters from the game. But you know me, I love my neutrals, so this is very much a palette that I would definitely use. Yeah, it's only 4 shades, and you know, I could only come up with not very many looks, but you know, 1 or 2. But that's okay. I don't know. I really just wanted to get something from this collection, and one that I would for sure use, not just to get it for the packaging. So I will go ahead and pick and swatch this one. I am a little, I don't know, really want to say disappointed, but I guess I am. I was hoping that this would be like a matte, but it's a matte with shimmer in it, so it's not like a true matte. I prefer my mattes to be mattes and not have glitter in them. These are very pigmented, dang. This shade over here, Meteor Shower, is glittery. It's one of their glitter shades, which I'm not a huge fan of, but I think I could get it to work. But there they are swatched. This bottom one is the glitter shade. But this shimmer shade is very pretty and very pigmented. These are very pigmented as well. But this one, like I said, is not a true matte. It has glitter in it. I don't know if you guys can see, but maybe it'll work out. Maybe it won't be too glittery. But yeah, there you go. There are all the products that I've picked up recently. When I first decided to do this video, I was planning on this video to be a Boxypop Up Haul and only. But like I said, I went to Ulta the other day and I did pick up some products and I was like, why not toss them in there just to show you guys what I got. But yeah, that is going to do it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you like seeing these types of videos. Yeah, if you like seeing what I get from Boxypop Up, I will for sure make sure to show you guys what I get when I do, if I buy anything, because I don't always buy things from the Boxypop Up deal, but if you guys do like seeing when I do buy stuff, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and also let me know down in the comments if you guys want to see any first impressions of the products that I picked up. I would be more than happy to do that for you guys. But yeah, other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!